Hello, you guys. While I was here, I read to hear what is going on. My ears, guys. It is thunders when I'm at, and also it is raining, like literally raining outside. See these people drive by here, but yeah, it is raining and thunderstorm outside. Basically, you guys know. Yeah, basically you hear thundering because yesterday, an old friend of mine told me it's gonna be thunderstorm. It is, and I just heard it just like minutes ago. Yeah, it's pretty kind of bad out there, but usually you hear some thunderstorms, but it's not like when it used to be. Oh, oh, you can hear thundering. Yeah, now you can hear thundering. I just hear thunder down so many times because it happened the last time, and it literally, well, like I said earlier, a while back, it was done very louder, and my background noises in the podcast, during podcasts, and basically, you guys has even noticed that you hear background noises when I do podcasts a lot. That's so basically, you guys already know. So once again, it is thunder outside. You heard some background noises, and yeah, thunder went outside.